Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you will have to answer. So the questions are going to be common questions and you will answer in 3 steps. Step 1, answer the question directly. Step 2, elaborate your answer. And step 3, conclude your answer. Okay, let's start from here. Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days because especially in the summer seasons because through rainy days we get relief from heats because it is a very high temperature on that days.
Okay, so therefore I like rainy days. Just try to focus the question and answer in 5 to 6 sentences, and you need to brush up your basic English grammar as well. Now let's go on. Does it rain a lot in your hometown?
Yes, it rains a lot, but especially in the monsoon
Yeah,
seasons,
especially during the monsoon season.
which is about June to August, and there is a lot of raining on that
Okay,
time.
there is a lot of raining is not right. Okay, you can say there are torrential rains during this time period, or there's a lot of rain, or it rains heavily and all that. Okay, so again, sentence structure is important for you. What do you usually do when it rains?
When it rains, first of all, I like to go outside with friends, and then mostly we like to eat some hot things like samosa, etc.
Samosa is not English. You can say rainy day snacks, or you can use the word snacks. I love to eat some snacks, and instead of samosa, it's a good idea to use sandwiches and other stuff like that, because IELTS is English test,
Yeah.
so it's a good idea if you speak English. Okay. All right. One last question. Do you like winter rain or summer rain?
Yes, of course, I like summer rains because in that the temperature is very high and we get relief from heat.
Okay, we get relief from heat is being repeated in every answer.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So try to expand your answer and conclude your answer. It's your turn now, please.
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay, what do you usually do on weekend?
On weekend, I often go to the market to buy some things, something which is essential for me, like for shopping. To
Okay,
Yeah,
do you wake up early in the morning?
yeah, I like to get up early in the morning because in the morning I go for a walk for some time, and then I'm ready to go for university.
Okay,
And
what time do you usually go to bed?
go to bed.
Yeah, what time do you sleep?
Yeah, it's 10 a.m. when
10
I go.
a.m. or 10
Sorry,
p.m.?
10 p.m. when I go to sleep.
Okay, your
Usually,
answers are extremely short and there is no proper information in your answer. So try to expand your answer,
okay,
and
sir.
at least there should be 5 to 6 sentences in each answer.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, examiner will say time and again, why? You will not be comfortable with that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right, one last question. What is your favorite day of the week?
Sunday is my favorite day because on Sunday you are free from your work.
I am free. You are free. I'm not free. I
Okay.
work on Sunday. So talk about yourself, okay? I am
Sunday,
free.
Sunday is my favorite day of the week because on Sunday I am free from work, from any type of tiredness. So I like the Sunday most,
Okay, I like Sunday very much.
very much.
That's good. This is better. This answer is better. So practice your English, okay?
Yeah,
You'll be good.
thank you.
Thank you.